Okay, now exercise 3.4, question number 1. Now this exercise is about solving a pair of linear equations by elimination method and substitution method. So by both the methods you have to solve, and we have to check whether both the answers are same. Actually we have to get the same answer for both in both the methods, then only we have to, our answer will be correct. Okay, answer is correct, we can conclude that our answer is correct. Okay, in both the methods if different answers are coming, means somewhere around any particular method they have made a mistake. That is the meaning. Now listen, so first I'll write the given question, that is first subdivision of question number 1. The equations are, so first all of you write solution and then write, so put solution. Given equations are, listen carefully, so given equations are, given linear equations. Actually this lesson is all about solving linear equations, solving linear equations in two variables. Okay, given linear equations are x plus y is equal to 5, and another equation is, this is equation number, I'm going to consider it as equation number 1. Okay, because two equations, one equation is named as equation number 1 and another equation is equation number 2, and second equation is 2 into x minus 3 into y is equal to 4. This is equation number 2. I'm going to take it as equation number 2. So this is how you have to start the sum. Okay, given equations you have to name them as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Listen again, I'll repeat, the chapter name is pair. Pair means 2. What is the meaning of pair? It represents 2. So therefore they have given two equations, pair of linear equations. Linear equations means an equation having the highest, equation having the degree as 1, which means the highest power of the variable in an equation is 1, means that is called as linear equation. So see here, the variable x has no power, that means x power 1, as well as variable y has no power, that means y power 1. Here also in this equation also 2x power 1 minus 3y power 1. And one more thing is, in this equation 1 as well as equation 2, we have two variables. We have how many variables? Actually they have given two equations, that is why they are calling us pair. Pair means 2. So pair of linear equations. Linear equations mean the equation with degree 1, as well as in this linear equation we have two variables, x is one variable and y is another variable. But in our 10th state board, as that is Tamil Nadu syllabus, okay, in our syllabus students will solve linear equations in 3 variables. Okay, in our state board, but in your Assam board you have only 2 variables. It is very, very simple. Okay, see, so it is easy to solve this linear equations in 2 variables, but in here we use x plus y plus z. There will be 3 variables in the equation. Okay, we will solve linear equations in 3 variables. For solving linear equation in 3 variables we need minimum 3 equations, but for solving linear equation in 2 variables it is enough. For having two linear equations is enough to solve the equation. So how to solve? The meaning of solve is find the values of x and y. That is the meaning. See here, the question they have clearly mentioned solve. What is the meaning of solve? Solve means we have to find the value of x and y, for which both the equations get satisfied. That is the meaning of solve. Again I repeat, solving means finding the value of the variable x and y. For that particular value of x and y, both the equations get satisfied. Okay, now how to solve? But now I'm going to first solve it by using elimination method. Elimination is a very, very simple method. Now I'm going to use it by elimination method. So all of you write the topic elimination method. Elimination method. Now listen carefully, ma. Elimination method means, in the name itself it is clearly mentioned that we have to eliminate a variable to find one variable. To find a value of one variable, we try to eliminate one variable, either x or y. It is up to us. It is up to us to choose which variable we have to eliminate. Which variable we have to eliminate, it is up to us to choose. It is not wrong in eliminating x, or it is not wrong in eliminating y. Anything is possible, anything is okay. Some students maybe they will first eliminate y and they will find the value of x. Some students first eliminate x and they will find the value of y. But there is a method by which we can first think about which is the best to eliminate. According to me, in this question, x plus y is equal to 5 as well as 2x minus y is equal to 4, it is better to eliminate y, because see here, whenever you are going to do elimination method, please see whether the given two equations have same numerical coefficient for either x or y. See here, what is the coefficient of x in equation number 1? Can anyone tell me what is the coefficient of x in equation number 1?
1.
1. There is no numerical, there is 1x.
1.
Now the coefficient of x in second equation is 2. So in both the equations, x has not equal variable, what is it, not equal coefficient. In the first equation, we have 1 as its coefficient, and in the second equation, we have 2 as its coefficient. Therefore, no equal coefficients. Likewise, in equation number 1, the coefficient of y is also 1, and the coefficient of y is -3 in equation number 2. Therefore, it is also not same. If, listen carefully, if you are seeing two pair of linear equations, in the pair of linear equations, if any variable, either x or y, having same numerical coefficient, means it is best to eliminate that particular variable first. Again, I repeat, if two equations, if the two given equations are having same numerical coefficient for any variable, for example, here also 3y, here also -3y, so then that variable only you have to eliminate first. That is very, very easy method. Okay, that is the right way of doing. Even though you are eliminating the another variable without having different, different variable coefficient, means that is also not a problem. But it is very easy to eliminate the variable with same numerical coefficient. Now, for that case here, both x and y have no common same variable, same coefficient for the two variables x and y. In this case, now what you have to do is we have to think about eliminating x or y. I'm going to choose y because the sign of y in first equation is plus and the sign of y in second equation is minus. Since both the equations have different signs for y, that is plus y and -3y. So I'm going to now eliminate y from these two equations. So for eliminating, what you have to do is, first step is, since the numerical coefficient of y is not same, here it is 1y, here it is 3y. Now we have to make the numerical coefficient of any one variable as equal. For making that, see here in equation number 2, we have, I'm going to write as it is. Equation number 2 is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. I'm going to write as it is. But in equation number 1, the numerical coefficient of y is nothing, that is 1. In order to make it as also 3, I'm going to multiply the whole equation by 1 by 3. I'm going to multiply equation number 1 by 3. Why I'm going to multiply equation number 1 by 3 is, since equation number 1 has the numerical coefficient 1. If I multiply this numerical equation number 1 by 3, this coefficient of y becomes 3. Now see here, when we are multiplying by 3, all the terms in the equation, in the left hand side as well as right hand side, we have to multiply. Now what is 3 into x? The first term of equation number 1 is x. Now 3 into x is 3x, so it becomes 3x. Now the second term is plus y. When this y is multiplied by 3, it becomes plus 3y, because in between x and y we have positive. So plus, and 3 into y is 3y. See here now, both the equations are having same numerical coefficient for y. That is why we are multiplying by 3. That is the reason we are multiplying by 3. Our aim is to make any variable with same numerical coefficient. That can be y or x. Here I have chosen y. That is why I am multiplying equation number 1 with 3. Now we got 3 plus 3y, which is equal to, right hand side also we have to multiply. Whenever you are multiplying by a constant to any equation, on both the sides you have to multiply, then only you will get an equivalent equation, which means the equation, the numbers may change, but the equation still remains the same. The equation, the equality, okay, there is no problem with the equality, right? So 3x plus 3y is equal to, now what is 3 into 5? You have to multiply this 5 also, right hand side 5. 3 into 5 is 15. 15. Now we have to put a line like this. See, now these two equations having same numerical coefficient, 3 and 3, with opposite sign. If two equations are having same numerical coefficient for a particular variable, as well as opposite sign, means we have to just add. We have to just add these two equations. Now this is equation number 2. This is new equation. This new equation is, we got it by multiplying that equation number 1 by 3. Now we have to add these two equations. So I'm going to write it over here on adding. Okay, because opposite signs means we have to add. If it is same sign means we have to subtract. Now on adding, what is 2x plus 3x? It is 5x. 2x plus 3x is 2x plus 3x is 5x. Now minus 3y plus 3y gets cancelled. Our aim is to eliminate. See here, now y variable is eliminated. Because 3 plus 3y minus 3y is 0. Therefore I'm cancelling. Minus 3y plus 3y gets cancelled. This is equal to, now 4 plus 15 is 19. What is 4 plus 15, ma? It is 19. Now we got 5x is equal to 19. Now listen carefully. Our aim is to find the variable, answer for variable. Okay. Now this 5 which is in multiplication with this x. When this 5 which is in multiplication taken to the opposite side becomes division. So what will get? X is equal to 19. This 5 in multiplication taken to the opposite side becomes division. So 19 by 5. Hence the value of x for this question, this pair of linear equation is 19 by 5. Please write up to this. If you have doubt, please ask. Yes, what is the doubt? Again, I'll repeat, ma. Since two equations are having same numerical coefficient and opposite sign means we have to always add the two equations. Then only that same variable, what to say, same numerical coefficient variables will get eliminated. That is why we are adding to eliminate that variable y.
Sir,
Yes, ma. What is the doubt?
sir, if only their sign are different, we can add them.
Yeah, only if the signs are up different. Okay, then only we have to add to eliminate that. If signs are same means you have to subtract the two equations. We have to subtract one equation from the other equation. Then only we can eliminate that variable if the signs are same. Okay, I'll
Okay,
teach more
sir.
sums in the based on this. Okay. Now, have you all completed ma up to find x is equal to 19 by 5?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next step is listen. Next step is we have to, after finding the one value of one variable by elimination method, we have to use this value of x in either equation number 1 or 2 to find the value of another equation, that is another variable, that is y. Now I'm going to apply the value of x is equal to 19 by 5 in equation number 1 because equation number 1 is very simple equation. So I'm going to apply this value of x is equal to 19 by 5 in equation number 1 to find the value of y. So for that I can write a step like this. Substituting, listen carefully, I'll write it over here. Substituting, I'll write it over here. Substituting x is equal to 19 by 5 in equation number 1. In equation number 1. So I'll simply write 1 and put a substitute in equation number 1. So for that, first I'll write what is equation number 1. Equation number 1 is x plus y is equal to, I think what is x plus y is equal to in equation number 1? 5. Okay. X plus y is equal to, we have to always write the equation first, then only we have to replace. Substitute the value of x. We have x, equation number 1 is equal to x plus y is equal to 5. Now in this equation, we have to substitute. So I will take new page. Again I'll write it over here. So we got equation number 1 is equal to x plus y is equal to 5. Now we have to replace the value of x here. We got the value of x as 19 by 5. Am I right? It's 19 by 5 plus y is equal to 5. Now we have to find the value of y, right? So this plus 19 by 5 taken to the right hand side, we have to find the value of y. So we have to take it to the right hand side. Now already 5 is there. This plus 19 by 5, when it is taken to the opposite side, becomes minus 19 by 5. So 5 minus 19 by 5, we have to first simplify. So how to simplify? This 5 has to be multiplied with this 5. What is 5 into 5? 25 minus, here it is 19, right? 25 minus 19 whole divided by this same 5 we have written. This is how we have to simplify. 5 into 5 is 25 minus 19 whole divided by the same 5 we have written. Now what is 25 minus 5? 25 minus 9, the answer is 6. So 6 by 5. Therefore the value of y is equal to 6 by 5. Hence the value of y is equal to 6 by 5. Therefore, the solution is the solution of the given pair of linear equations. So the solution is x is equal to 19 by 5 and y is equal to 6 by 5. This is the solution now. Please write, complete this. Okay, this is called as elimination method. Our aim is to eliminate one variable to find the value of another variable. For eliminating, we have to make which variable we are going to eliminate. For that variable, for both the equations, we have to make it as same numerical coefficient. Then only we can eliminate. Sometimes in the given question itself, both the equations, okay, in both the equations, some particular variable will have same numerical coefficient. Then you can easily eliminate. Otherwise, you have to multiply one equation by a certain constant number to make it, okay, to make two equations having same numerical coefficient. Then we have to eliminate.
Sir.
Yes, ma.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, what's the doubt?
Repeat again from first, sir.
You want me to repeat again from the first? Yes, I'll do. Okay, now listen,
Yes,
ma.
sir.
Yeah, I'll do now. I'll just scroll down. I'll repeat from the first. Listen carefully, ma. See here, this is the given question. In the given question, they are giving two linear equations. Okay, they are giving two linear equations. I will use another color to teach one more time. So this is equation number 1, that is x plus y is equal to 5. and this is equation number 2. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now what we have to do is, we have to first, okay, check whether any variable, either x or y. See here, both x, okay, x variable of both the equation have not same variable, not same numerical coefficient. Here the coefficient of x is nothing, means there is 1, and here it is 2. So they are different numerical coefficients. As well as for y also, here it is nothing, means there is 1y, here it is minus 3. So they are also different. So we don't have any variable with same numerical coefficient. So our aim is to now make two equations with same numerical coefficient for any one variable. Okay, now for that I'm going to decide, I'm going to make y variable with same numerical coefficient. For that, this second equation is having 3 as its numerical variable, 3 as its numerical coefficient, right? Therefore, if I multiply the whole equation 1 by 3, this equation number 1 also will become 3y, right? Here also 3y is there. Okay, so that is why I'm multiplying equation number 1 by 3, so that each and every term of the equation number 1 has to be multiplied by 3. So 3 into x is 3x, plus 3 into y is 3y, plus is equal to 3 into 5 is 15. Now we got this step. Okay, Oma, up to this, are you able to understand this?
Yeah, sir.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now we make, okay, now we got two equations with same numerical coefficient. One variable. Please mute, ma. Please mute. Please mute. Now, after making two equations with same numerical coefficient for a particular variable, now we can eliminate that. For eliminating, see here, in this equation, the coefficient sign is minus, and this in this equation, the sign is plus. If opposite sign means you have to add the two equations. If opposite signs means what you have to do, you have to add the equations. Okay, you have to add the equations so that minus 3y plus 3y gets cancelled. This 2x plus 3x is 5x. And here is a 4 plus 15 is 19. So we got eliminated the, okay, this y variable is eliminated. Now 5x is equal to 19. Now this 5x means that is 5 into x. This 5, when it is taken to the opposite side, becomes division, because this is in multiplication with x. When taken to the opposite side, it becomes division. So the value of x is equal to 19 by 5. Are you able to understand, ma? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to apply, that is substitute the value of 19 by 5 in any equation, equation number 1 or 2, to find the value of y. So I'm choosing equation number 1 because equation number 1 is simply x and y, x plus y. That is why I'm going to substitute x is equal to 19 by 5 in equation number 1. So we have to write equation number 1, which implies that is x plus y is equal to 5. In this equation, in the place of x, we have to replace it by 19 by 5. So 19 by 5 plus y is equal to 5. Now this plus 19 by 5. Here there is no sign, mean there is plus. When it is taken to the opposite side, it becomes minus. So 5, already 5 is there. Minus this plus becomes minus when taken to the opposite side, minus 19 by 5. Now simplifying 5 minus 19 by 5, we got 6 by 5. Okay, this is the procedure now. We all understood this? Any doubts, ma? Have you all understood this, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Listen, ma. Remaining sums also I will teach in the next class, so that you'll be able to do any sum. Okay, I will teach you the remaining subdivisions in the next class.